Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for those operating the DJI Agras T30 agricultural drone, specifically concerning its D9000i generator. We have here the Agras for DJI T30 D9000i generator control panel parts, identified by the number 350.01. This isn't just any replacement part. It's described as an original and brand new accessory, which is vital when dealing with sophisticated equipment like agricultural drones and their power systems. The primary function of this control panel part is to serve as a direct replacement for a damaged original. In the demanding environment of agricultural operations, wear and tear are inevitable, and having a reliable source for original replacement parts is key to minimizing downtime. The fact that this is an original part suggests it's designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing generator system, maintaining the performance and reliability that the DJI Agras T30 setup is known for. One of the highlighted features is its ease of installation. For drone operators and maintenance personnel, time is money, and a part that is straightforward to install means quicker repairs and getting the drone back in the air faster. This ease of installation, combined with what is described as fine craftsmanship, points toward the part that is not only functional, but also well-made. Fine craftsmanship in a control panel part implies attention to detail in its construction, ensuring all connections and components are precisely manufactured. Furthermore, the description emphasizes that this is a high-quality part intended for professional use. Agricultural drones are professional tools, and every component, down to the generator control panel, needs to meet rigorous standards. High quality in this context likely refers to the materials used, the manufacturing process, and the overall reliability of the component under operational stress. Durability and wear resistance are also key attributes mentioned. Given that the generator operates in potentially harsh outdoor conditions, often exposed to dust, moisture, and vibrations, a durable and wear-resistant control panel is essential for long-term performance. This durability contributes directly to the promised long lifetime of the part, ensuring that once replaced, the generator's control system remains operational for an extended period, reducing the frequency of future repairs or replacements. In summary, this Agras for DJI T30 D9000i generator control panel part appears to be a necessary and high-quality accessory for maintaining the operational efficiency of the T30's power source. Its status as an original, brand-new part, coupled with its ease of installation, fine craftsmanship, high quality for professional use, durability, wear resistance, and long lifetime, makes it a valuable component for any Agras T30 operator needing to replace a faulty control panel on their D9000i generator. It represents a reliable solution to keep the drone's power system functioning correctly, ensuring the drone can perform its vital agricultural tasks without interruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.